This company makes each tube from an aluminum slug, about the size of a coin. A worker dumps a batch of slugs in a container, then adds a lubricating powder called zinc stearate. The container spins, causing the powder to coat the slugs evenly and prep the metal for stretching later on. The slugs then spin around in another container, which orients them horizontally, so they'll fit through a channel at the bottom. The channel feeds the slugs into a forming press. In a process called impact extrusion, each slug moves onto a die which gives it the exterior shape of a tube, including the neck. At the same time, a mandrel forms the interior. This process hardens the metal, something they'll correct later on by heating it. The machine applies 200 tons of pressure to as many as 150 slugs per minute. They can be as narrow as 1 centimeter and as long as 22 centimeters. This machine uses compressed air to align the tubes for the next step. A trimming machine cuts threads into the necks by passing each one between 2 synchronized rollers. Stationary blades trim the top of the neck, making the surface smooth and safe to handle. The neck on most models remains sealed until the consumer pierces it. Another company eventually seals the tube by rolling up the other end after they've inserted their product. After heating them to soften the metal, the tubes move through another machine. Here, nozzles spray the insides with 2 coats of epoxy lacquer. This creates a protective barrier between the aluminum and the eventual contents. Rollers apply a coat of polyester enamel paint, which is flexible when dry and resistant to most solvents and sun damage. Grippers place the tubes on long pins, which move them through an oven for 7 minutes so the paint can dry. From there, it's off to the printing machine. Each tube makes 1 complete rotation against
给钱嘛？他们那些他们的名字